Hello everyone, welcome back once again, and now time to learn about the plugins in WordPress. So at first you need to know what is plugins. Actually, plugins is a piece of software that will help you for adding new functionality, or it will help you for extending or adding new features in an existing plugins or software. So with the use of plugins, you can create professional site, you can add more feature, you can add new feature, add new functionality on your site. So we're going to learn about the plugins right now. So where you will get the plugin setting, you will get the plugin setting inside your WordPress admin dashboard, and if you take a look in left side of our menu bar in dashboard, you will get the plugins under the appearance. So here is the plugins, and once you will place your mouse cursor on plugins, you will have three type of option: installed plugins, add new, and plugin file editor. If you are not an expert, or if you don't have any advanced knowledge about the plugin, please don't use this plugin file editor. You can go with the install plugin and add new. So let me go with the add new. Okay, now you can take a look. The lots of plugins are available, and in here likewise this Jetpack, this is a plugins and it's not installed yet. And to install this plugin, you just have to click on install now. Likewise, this classic editor, it's also a plugin, and I used this classic editor plugin when I was creating or I was installing the WordPress, and at that moment I have selected this classic editor and the Loginizer security. These two plugins I selected while I was creating the WordPress or while I was installing the WordPress. That's why this classic editor and this Loginizer security, these two plugins is added from the beginning of my site. Okay, but rest of the plugins, there are lots of plugins are available, so you just have to pick what type of plugins you need for your site. Depend on your needs, you have to find out the plugins. Most of the plugins you will get in free in here, but there are some premium plugins are available, and for the premium plugins you have to pay a fees. But you can create a professional website using the free plugins. Okay, so now I want to show you some kind of plugins. Likewise, this Jetpack, this is one of the best plugins for the security. Even WordPress also prefer to install these Jetpack plugins for your site, because for the WordPress security, backup, speed and growth, you can use this Jetpack plugins. So let me show you how you will install a plugin. So you just have to click on install now. Okay, you can take a look, it's installed, and once it's installed you have to activate this plugin. So in that case you just have to click on activate. Okay, cool. So now Jetpack plugins is activated, and you can take a look in our menu bar in our admin dashboard. A new settings for Jetpack is appeared over here. But once you install the plugin, you have to set up the plugins as well. Likewise, this Jetpack is asking for setup Jetpack, so you just have to click on setup Jetpack, then it will take you on setup. Okay, so Jetpack setup is done and Jetpack is activated. Here is the notification, Jetpack is activated. But if you want some more feature, in that case you have to create a user account. Okay, so this is how you will install the Jetpack, and all the Jetpack plugin setup you will get inside these Jetpack plugins. Okay, so here the Jetpack plugins inside you can take a look over here. Likewise, for security, you can scan your site, you can have backup on your site, even you can protect the spamming on your site. Actually, this Jetpack plugins is a really very very effective for your site. Okay, so let me show you some more recommended plugins, and I want to go for add new. Okay, so here are different type of plugins are available, but if we take a look on popular plugin, then you may have a tons of popular plugin over here. So let me click on popular tab inside the plugins, and you can take a look at lots of plugins are available. Okay, so at first we want to install this contact form. Actually, what is contact form? In your contact page, if you want that if some visitor or if one of your reader want to contact with you through the mail, you can use this contact form 7 plugin. So once you will use this plugin, then you will be able to communicate with the visitor, so visitor can contact with you directly. So let me show you how to use this contact form, or how to use or add this contact form 7 plugin on your site. So at first we have to go for install now. Okay, it's installed, so I have to go for the activate option. Okay, cool. So it's redirected me in our install plugin page. So I want to show you one more things. Likewise, here is the dashboard. So if you want to take a look on your plugin panel, that what type of plugins are already installed or what installed plugin you have on your site, you can take a look that very easily. In that case, you just have to go for plugins, and then you just have to go for installed plugins. Then all the installed plugins list will be visible to you. Likewise, I have some installed plugin, likewise the classic editor, contact form 7, Jetpack, Lightspeed Cache, and Loginizer. And you can take a look. Hello Dolly and Akismet Anti-Spam, these 2 plugins is not activated yet. So if you want to activate any of these plugin, you just have to click on activate option. Okay, so I just installed contact form 7, and I want to add a contact form in our main site. So in here, this is our main site, and we don't have any option for contact us. Okay, so right now I want to add the contact us option, and that's why I have to create a page. So for creating a page, here is the page option, and I'm going to add a new page. Okay, and I want to write here contact us. Okay, so contact us, here is the page name and what you will put in here, and how the contact form 7 plugin will work. In that case, I want to show you in detail. So let's go with the plugins, and from there I want to go for install plugins. So I want to open this install plugin option in a new tab. Okay, so here is the contact form 7, and we have to make a setup for contact form 7. So here is the settings option, and inside the settings you can take a look. We have a contact form 1 settings, and it's provided with the contact form plugins. So you just have to click over edit. Okay, so when you will click on edit, you will have the field, and for placing this field, likewise your name, your email, subject, and your message, this field will be visible to your contact us page. And how you will place these things on your site, you don't have to worry about, because here is the short code. You just have to copy this short code, and you have to paste on the page, on the contact us page. So let me paste the page, and let me publish this one. Let me click on publish. Okay, cool. You can take a look. Here is the URL, and I want to open this URL, and I'm going to open in a new tab. Okay, so here is the new page, and the name of this new page is Contact Us, and here is the field. You can take a look. This is the settings of your field. So now customer or visitor or reader, they can contact with you very easily. So here is the your name, your email, subject, and your message. So if we go for the contact from option, here is the your name, your email, subject, and your message. So all these fields are available on your Contact Us page. Okay, and now I want to show you how you will receive the message from the customers. Okay, so let me show you one more things in setting. In that case, you have to take a look on your mail tab. So here is the mail tab, and you have to follow the address, that is from which email address is available in here. So when someone will place some kind of message through this contact from 7, you will receive an email address which you will put on the form field. So right now I have admin@canonsteve.xyz. This email address is placed over here. So I have to open this email account. I have to open this email account to show you in details when someone will place their information, or when someone will try to contact with you, how you will receive the notification or how you will receive the message. Okay, so let me open this email account. Okay, so here is my email account, and I want to open an incognito window, and here I want to write canonsteve.xyz. Okay, I want to delete the rest of the URL. I just want to go in my home page. Okay, but in here you can take a look over here. We don't have the Contact Us in here in our menu bar. So I want to add the menu bar first. Okay, and that's why I have to go for the customization of my site. So here is the option, and I'm going to customize my site, and that's why I have to go for the appearance, and from there I will get the customize option, because I want to add this Contact Us page to my menu. So that's why where I have to go in menu option, and here is my menu option. So I have to open this option over here, and I want to add items. So let me add the items, and I want to add a page. So here is the page, and this Contact Us, this page I want to add in my site. So that's why I'm clicking on this plus mark. Okay, you can take a look over here. Contact Us is added. So let me click on publish. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's take a look in our incognito tab. I want to reload this page. Okay, Contact Us, this menu is added. So suppose you are a visitor, and you want to communicate, or you want to send a message to this website owner or this blogger. So how you will do that? You just have to click on Contact Us, and here is the option. So let me write a name, likewise Mark, and I want to write an email address, likewise mark@canonsteve.xyz. I want to write Mark demo. Okay, or you can put any kind of email addresses for here. So for subject, I want to write for subject hello world, and then you will have the field, and in here you can put your message. So I want to write just checking. Okay, just checking, and once you are done, you just have to click on submit option. So let me click on submit. Okay, you can take a look. Here is the notification. Thank you for your message. It has been sent. Okay, so as a visitor, you just sent a message to the website owner. So now where you will take a look, you have to take a look on the email account. That email account is placed on the mail setting. So here is my email account. So let me reload this page and you can take a look. We got a new mail. So let me open this mail. Okay, so here is the subject, hello world, and here is the message, just checking, and here is the email address of the sender. Okay, so this is really very easy to set up the contact form as a plugins on your site, and this is one of the most popular plugins nowadays and it's widely using in WordPress. Okay, so let's take a look in some more popular and essential plugins. I want to go for the plugins and from there I want to go for add new. Okay, so I want to click on popular tab. Okay, then we have some more plugins. Likewise, this Yoast SEO. If you want to implement search engine optimization on your site, or if you want to make SEO friendly website, or if you want to rank up your site on search engine, in that case this Yoast SEO plugins will help you a lot. And this plugins is really very powerful plugins, and you can take a look, 5 million plus active installation of this Yoast SEO plugins. And this is one of the best plugins ever I have found in WordPress, that is Elementor Website Builder. Actually, this Elementor Website Builder is really an awesome plugins, because with that Elementor Website Builder plugin you can add, or you can develop, or you can design any kind of website you want. You can create mobile responsive website as well, because with this Elementor Website Builder, with these plugins, you can develop a website just by a drag and drop option, and it's really very easy. And with Elementor Website Builder, with this plugin, you don't need any kind of coding knowledge. Only using this plugin you will be able to create different type of creative and responsive website, and this is really amazing. Okay, so you will have a different lesson with these plugins, and I will take a separate lesson for this Elementor Website Builder, that is how to develop a website using this Elementor plugins. Okay, then this is one of the best and popular plugins, that is WooCommerce, and this is a very effective plugin for any kind of store if you want to create using the WordPress. And there are many more plugins are available. If you scroll down, then you will have a look over here, that is more 54,352 items are available. So can you imagine that it's a library of ton of plugins? So depend on your needs, you must have to know the use of plugins and which plugins is using for what purpose. So you must have to know the use of plugins, and then you just have to find it, and you just have to install on your site. And one more thing, this is all-in-one SEO plugins. This is a good plugin for search engine optimization, so you can also use this one. Likewise, there is a plugin called Rank Math, that's also a very good plugin for search engine optimization. So as I was saying, depend on your needs, what type of website you are going to create. You just have to know the use of plugins and you have to install on your site.